Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be performing the watercolor method on my 13x6 Russian blonde frontal wig that I made on the sewing machine. So the first step to this is, of course, you want to have a tub of water. Right here I'm just using my sink, and I am adding a half a bottle of the Kiss royal blue mixture into the water, and I'm just going to make sure I mix it all up to make sure there's no clumps, because if there are clumps then the color is going to deposit onto the hair a little weird. So now I'm just going to take the wig. This wig was constructed using the sewing machine method. I construct all of my wigs using the sewing machine method. And I'm just going to dip the wig inside of the mixture. Now I start off with a half a bottle of blue hair dye, because I like to add a light base color before I go in with my true color. This just allows the color that I put on after this to stick a little better, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to go in with the Adore Royal Navy, and I'm going to apply the whole entire bottle into the mix, and then I'm just going to stir it up to make sure all of the lump and clumps are out, and then I'm going to just go back in with my wig and dip the wig into the water. Now here I'm just taking the wig and I'm dipping it in and out of the water, and I'm going to open up the middle of the wig just to make sure those middle tracks are seeping up the color just as well as the rest of the wig. Again, you want to make sure you open up the middle of your wig, because a lot of times those middle tracks they miss out on the color if that makes sense. Yeah, and then I'm going to go in with another bottle of the Royal Navy from Adore, and I'm going to apply that to our water just to make the color a little bit more vibrant. And I'm actually going to stop talking right here, because I'm just going to repeat this step again in a few more minutes. So I'm going to use a total of 3 bottles of the Royal Navy from Adore and a half a bottle of the Royal Blue from Kiss. Now, as you can see, the color came out absolutely beautiful. It's a true royal blue, and I say royal blue because, as you can see, it has some like purple undertones to it, but the color is absolutely amazing. The watercolor method is extremely easy, but just be mindful that if you're going to use the if you're going to use the watercolor method to color your bundles, you have to make sure you have enough of the color. So you're going to need at least 4 to 5 bottles of color in order to achieve your desired look, if you are going for like one vibrant color. Now here I'm going to take my Babyliss 1-inch curling iron, and I am going to curl the entire hair. As you can see, this color is amazing. Like, my client was so in love. But yep, so I'm just going to stop talking again and I'm going to let you guys watch. Here I'm taking my flat iron and I'm just going to flatten out the roots. I probably should not have taken the flat iron all the way down to the ends like that, but that was a mistake. But I did use my flat iron to flatten out the roots before I went in with my 1-inch Babyliss curling iron and curled the rest of the hair. That way we just have a nice flat top or whatnot. And as you can see, I'm so obsessed with this color, you guys. I know I've said it 1,000 times, but this color came out so good. Like, I was so proud of myself. And you guys can do it too. It's super duper easy. Just follow this video, you know. Take heed of my little tips and tricks. And go watercolor them bundles, child. Don't do that shit by hand. Take too long. And here are the final results. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. As you can see, this hair came out absolutely amazing. This is absolutely one of my favorite wigs. My client was 100% in love. And again, I did use a 13x6 frontal and 3 Russian blonde frontals. I believe this is a 24-inch wig. I'm not 100% sure. I will leave the details down in the description. But again, this wig is from my wig collection, Tresses by Yasmine. I do make custom wigs, and I provide affordable bundle deals. With your custom wig, you have the option to choose from a 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 13x4 and or 13x6 frontal, and I provide inches up to 12 to 30 inches. I have mink Brazilian straight, mink Brazilian body wave, deep curly, deep wave, water wave. I have an array of different hair textures and styles. My turnaround time is 5 to 7 business days. If you are interested, just click the link down below or hit me up on Instagram at Tresses by Yasmine for more information. But again, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe for future videos. Thank you guys.